Hi everyone, welcome to my Akka class channel. Today I am writing 10 lines on Indian Constitution Day. First line. Good morning everyone. Second line. Today I am going to speak about Indian Constitution Day. Third line. Indian Constitution Day is celebrated on 26th November every year. Please like and subscribe my channel and press bell icon to get all my videos. Fourth line. On this day, we remember the making of our great Constitution. Fifth line. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is known as the father of the Indian Constitution. Sixth line. Our Constitution is the highest law of our country. Seventh line. The Constitution gives us rights and tells us our duties. Eighth line. It helps our country work smoothly and treats everyone equal. Next line. We proudly call this day Samvidhan Divas. Tenth line. As students, we should learn about our constitution and respect it. Thank you. Thank you for watching video. Please share and subscribe my channel.